Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily update on Solana. And it's again going to be a bullish update, which is great to see. I mean, we talked about this and I'm quite happy about this, but we talked about this breakout above 150 and the entire level for quite a while. And I always said, if we get a clean breakout above that, we can rally up to 180. So we hit our price targets overnight. Right now, the problem is, and we'll talk about that extensively, but the main problem is that Bitcoin is displaying quite a lot of resistance here, right? I'm not telling you Bitcoin is going to crash down lower, but if there was any time that Bitcoin would fall down lower, it's now. All right, and that does have an effect on Solana. I mean, if you look at Solana against Bitcoin right now, and there's multiple reasons for this, but if you look at that, you can see that Solana is absolutely strong. All right, it's reaching previous highs, so maybe that means something, but it is very strong, and I don't necessarily see a reason why this would turn bearish all of a sudden either. But that is something you should know. All right, so sure, Solana right now is very, very strong. I expect us to even get up higher, but that depends a bit on Bitcoin, all right? Because our first price target was this level at 175 and 180. We hit that now, even though Bitcoin was relatively weak. So what we know is that Solana is very strong at this moment. The thing though is that 180 and 185 as a technical resistance is quite strong. So even though Solana is very strong, I'm not sure if when Bitcoin is also still relatively bearish, I'm not sure if Solana is going to be able to break above that. All right. If Bitcoin turns bullish here, it's 200 easily, probably even higher. But all right. So that's in short my analysis. That's the video for now. And no, I'm just kidding, but it's that is essentially what you need to know. I mean, I'll show you some other things. I mean, purely fundamentally, Solana is still doing great. All right, the total value locked is capped on Artemis. I'm not sure if those numbers are correct then, because if you look at the numbers on DeFi Llama, I think they're still going up or not. Yeah, they're still going up. Total value locked of $10.5 billion. Closing in on those highs we made in 2021, which was around $12.3 billion. That's probably coming as well, especially with the price going up. And looking at the momentum, which I think is the last piece of the puzzle for us, what you'll see there is that that's also still relatively high, but there's definitely room for some sort of a drop here, all right? So again, and I've said this before, but the main thing we have to do is to wait, all right? I would say our main support level right now, or at least our first support level, is around 167 and 165. If from there, ultimately, if we break above 180, we're just going up to 200. Purely technically, whatever the cause is, that's most likely. So if from this level right here, we can actually gain another bullish breakout, that technical bullish confirmation in combination with the bullish fundamentals and the relative strength, I don't see any reason why we would not get up to 200 and probably even higher after that. So that's a possibility, but given the fact that Bitcoin is showing some weakness here, and given the fact that the open interest for Solana also seems like it's dropping down a bit more after retesting a level up here, I'm going to assume, and I think it's best to assume this, I'm going to assume that we're actually in for a bit of a pullback down towards 160, 155 perhaps, that will consolidate there, and then eventually, once momentum picks back up into the markets, break above 180, rally up to 200. And then once we're at 200, I mean, we can easily start talking as well about 210, 215, but we'll do that then. All right. Right now it's a bit too early. And like I said, if Bitcoin pulls back here, Solana could actually turn bearish / less bullish for a couple of days, maybe even 2 weeks or so. So that's what you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.